Everyone, my name is Poonam Kamble. Today I am explaining about the essential documents for the clinical trials. Essential documents is the article we wish to present a brief review of study. Essential documents that most often require a translation during the course of a clinical study. We hope that article will be useful to those who due to their activities deal with the translation of materials for clinical studies. The essential documents for clinical trials are the following. First is a informed consent form, then investigator brochures, case report form. After that, subject information and informed consent form, clinical study report, then clinical study protocol. Then first is the investigator brochure, contains preclinical and postclinical information related to the investigations drug. The information should be presented in course, simple objectives, balanced form that should be taken into account during the translation. After that, the investigator brochures involves the title page, which provides the sponsor's name, the identity of the investigational product, an edition number, the date, and the number. The sponsor may wish to include a statement instructing to treat the IB as a confidential document. After that, a standards investigator brochure usually include the following sections. First is a list of abbreviations. After that, the contents. Then a summary. In a summary, a brief description of significant physical, chemical, and pharmaceutical properties of the investigational product, and also pharmacological, toxicological, pharmacokinetic, and pharmacodynamic, metabolic, therapeutic information that is relevant to the appropriate stage of clinical trial. Introduction provides the chemical name and generic and trade names, if approved, of the investigational product, all active components, pharmacological class, the rationale for performing further research with the investigational product, and anticipated indications for its work. After in the clinical studies, this section provides information of pharmacokinetic, bioinformation, safety and efficacy in humans, data on post-marketing experience, conclusion and guidance for the investigator. The references should be provided at the end of each section. The investigator brochure should be reviewed at least annually and revised as necessary in compliance with a standard procedure established by a drug development company. Clinical study protocol. After the objective, the second document is essential for the clinical trial, is a clinical study protocol. After the objective and design of a clinical study have been determined, these issues should be documented in the study protocol. The study protocol is a document containing instructions for all the parties involved in the clinical trial that establish specific objectives for each participant and provide guidelines for the performing the study protocol should ensure adequate conduction of the clinical trials and collection of analysis of data. The following sections should be included in the study protocol: introduction, objectives and purpose of the study duration, number of subject, number of consent, informed consent, opinion of the ethics committee, subject selection criteria, exclusion criteria, inclusion criteria, methodology, safety reporting, clinical laboratory parameters. After that, the essential document for clinical trial is a protocol amendment. Protocol amendment describes major changes to the initial study protocol. Protocol amendment must be again approved by the ethics committee. Then next is the informed consent. Informed consent is one of the most important element of system ensuring the ethics of medical experiment and protection of the rights of the study subjects. Informed consent is a process by which a subject voluntarily confirms his or her willingness to participate in one or another clinical trial after having been informed of all aspects of the body or study. Informed consent should be documented by means a written, signed, or dated informed consent form. A potential subject should be The main principle of the informed consent is the purpose of the trial, the method of the trial, the study of drug, available alternative treatments, the potential risk and benefits. After that, the study progress report. The investigator should provide written reports on study progress to ethics committee. These may be and interim report on the interim result of the study. Then after that, the case report form. Case report form is a paper or electronic questionnaire document to record all the information for an individual study subject required by the study protocol.